This MacBook Air M1 won't turn on, and it's pulling amps, so it should be working. But we're going to go ahead and take it apart and use our 4PL screwdriver and take off the bottom part of the computer here, and we'll pull it off just like that, and then grab the metal part of the battery connection and lift it up and pull it off just like so. And then we'll plug it in and see if it turns on. It turns on, so we're going to reseat the battery connection here and then see if it turns on, and it turns on. Woohoo!